What is happening, YouTube? It's your boy here once more, and we're on our last night or morning of the trip, and we're going home in a few hours, I guess. And I'm like one of the first ones up. I've been up for a few hours, and yeah, it was a good trip, guys. And we're already planning next year, so. I'll do some more hikes and videos when I get back, and you know. But as far as this trip, I did the best I could with all the footage and stuff. So hope you enjoyed all the videos, and you know, there's more coming. So I'm gonna do my best this year to up the ante on my videos, guys, and I'll let you guys listen to the waves crash against the shore or whatever. And yeah. So if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you so choose. And as always, my friends, peace out, bro. I know you can't see me, but yeah, peace out. And just go ahead and listen to these waves, guys. Alright, thanks for listening, guys, and thanks for watching my videos. Till next time, guys. Peace out, bro.